Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys? How are you doing today? I hope that you all are doing amazing. So it's been a minute, okay, but I'm back. Y'all know I say this every time. Y'all probably like, why you say this every time you come back? But anyway, I hope you guys can hear me. My heat is on, of course, because it's cold here. Don't know where y'all live, but it's freezing. So today is going to be a different video, you guys. I'm trying to do different things with my channel, see which direction I want to go in, you guys. I don't know, so whatever. But today is gonna be an unboxing for my new phone. So if you like unboxings, if you want to see what kind of phone I got, if you want to see how it looks and all that stuff, then stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, welcome. How are you doing? Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell, and make sure that you guys like the video and leave a comment down below. I love interacting with you guys. I appreciate that you guys leave nice comments, and I'm so grateful. Don't make me cry, because y'all know I'll cry. Okay, if you know me, you know I get to crying. Okay, no, I'm just playing. So okay, so you guys, so I'm gonna do my unboxing. I'm gonna show you what phone I have. So I previously had the Note 9, the Galaxy Note 9. I am a Samsung fanatic. I do not like Apple products. I have never owned an Apple product, probably will never own an Apple product as long as they make Samsung products, okay? So I know, don't come for me in the comments, okay? Because I'm gonna go hard for Samsung. So don't come for me. I don't want to hear it. I don't want an iPhone. I don't need to get one. I don't want one, okay? So I have, ta-da, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Okay, you guys. So this I got, it's through AT&T. So this is how the box looks. Their boxes look different than the actual Samsung products. Whatever. So let me show it to you guys. All right, so I chose the silver, like I don't know if you guys need that, but I chose the like silver holographic. It's called Aqua Glow. This is the color that I chose. I absolutely love it. I didn't want my Note 9 is like a purplish color, so I like different colors. I didn't want just a black or a white or any color like that. I wanted to get something unique and different, and so this is what they have. So I hope you guys can see that it's like holographic. It's really, really pretty. I absolutely love it. Okay, so that's how the back looks, and this is the front. These are the cameras and flashes and things on it. So that's how it looks. It's this thin, you guys. It's so thin, so I had to order me a case because yeah, I can't deal with this I can't deal with it just like this. So I'm gonna turn it on once I figure out how to do that. Hold on. Okay, so I turn it on. That's how it looks when it's coming on. I have already like programmed and did like the Samsung switch and transferred my information, because y'all, I was without a phone, so I had to actually have an operating phone, so I had to do that already. So that's how the phone looks now. So since I have had Samsung since I've probably been getting phones, let me tell you guys what I noticed, which I didn't notice when I actually got the phone, is that it does not have a headphone jack. So Samsung Note 10 Plus and Samsung the regular Note 10 do not come with headphone jacks. I was disappointed because I listen to and watch YouTube at work all day. Should I really be saying that? No. So I listen to and watch YouTube at work all day, and so I need a headphone jack. So I'm going to have to either get some wireless headphones or get the Samsung like earpods. I don't know. I feel like honestly that the Samsung earpods should have come with it, or the dongle. You can get like a piece, it's called a dongle, I believe, and it makes it to where it converts to where you can put your headphones in. But the only thing is that when that piece is in, you can't charge your phone, and sometimes you want to have your headphones on and be able to charge your phone. So that's the only thing that I do not like about this phone. Everything else is pretty much, usual and customary with Samsung, so I'm okay with that. I love Samsung, so it works fine for me. So this is what the front of the phone looks like. So that's how the phone looks. It's very clear, it's new, y'all. And I also have where I'm able to screen record. Did I have that before on the Note 9? So now on the Note 10, I am able to screen record. So I'm going to show you guys the quality of the pictures. So I took this picture today. It's on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is at Inspired Designs by Tiearra. My name's spelled Tiearra. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram. So that's the picture that I took today and put on Instagram, and it is super clear, you guys. Goodness gracious, that's a really crystal clear picture. So the pictures turn out well. I have all of my apps and everything already downloaded onto the phone from the smart switch. My games and all that stuff is already on here, so that's good. So that's the phone, you guys. The screen length is, I think it's 6.8 inches. And the reason why I chose this one is because it is the same size as my Note 9. But if I would have went with the 10, then the 10 would have been 6 inches for screen. So, you're getting like 0.8 more inches more screen size versus 6 inches when you're doing just the Note 10. So if you want the Note 10, I would keep that in mind, that it's going to be a little bit smaller than the Note Plus. The only difference between the two is that the Note Plus is bigger in screen size. That's it. Okay, so let's see what else comes in here. So of course you get like your rules, regulations, manuals, things like that, all that good stuff. I don't really need that. I never know how to work my phones to the full capacity anyway. I have my charger piece. It's super fast charging. Okay, so that's different than my Note 9. My Note 9 was just like fast charging, but this says that it's super fast charging. Hope you can see that. So that's my charger. And then these are the headphones that come along with it, which are wired. And it's like, why even do that? But whatever. So that's the these are the headphones. I have this same AKG with my Note 9. They're fine. Headphones are headphones to me, so they're okay. But that's how the headphones look, and they are wired, and they have this. Oh, never mind, you guys. Oh, look at that. Y'all, hold on. Okay, so then they give you these little extra like ear things. Y'all, so look at that. Can you see that? We just discovered this together. Okay, so this is a real life true unboxing. So look, okay, so I don't need the dongle. It literally just plugs right into my phone. Ah, you guys, I am so happy. Okay, so I don't need the extra piece. They must have fixed that, okay? Because I thought that I was gonna need the dongle, but I don't. I can literally just plug in my headphones right there. So I don't need the extra piece. Okay, good. This is great. Okay, so I'm glad I did this, y'all, because I didn't know that. So that's perfect. Okay, cool. All right. And then it comes with this. Don't know what this is. If you know what it is, leave it down below. Oh, maybe it goes to your computer for you to put in like a flash drive. That has to be what it is. Okay, because I guess that's what it is. And then my charger. Okay, which I haven't unpacked. So this is the charger. It's pretty short. My charger that I have now from Five Below is like 10 feet. So this is extremely short, but it's just standard for Samsung. So that's the charger. Oh, they even made, look you guys, they even made the part where you plug into the charger very small. That's way smaller than what it normally is. So there's the charger. There's the charger connected. And then you have this stuff. Don't know what the heck it is. It looks like it's for some type of dollhouse. I don't know, y'all. Don't give me the line. This is why this is why I'm not a real unboxer, because I don't know. So let me see. I had this when I got my Note 9. I don't know what it's for, y'all. I've never used it. So don't give me the lion, y'all. But it's like a little, it looks like a little, like they look like little drumsticks and then a little claw. I don't know if you know what it is. Leave it in the comments down below. And then of course the infamous SD card releaser holder thingy-ish pointer thing. So that's just how that looks. You have to use this if you want to eject your SD card. So that's all that's in my box, y'all. That's all that it came with. I'm really excited about the headphones because I was not expecting that. So yay, I'm so excited about that. I wasn't expecting that, you guys. So let me see what else I can tell you about the phone. Oh, of course, the Note 10s come with an S Pen. So the S Pen, you can like take pictures with it. Like you can do it to take a picture. Yep, it took it. Okay, y'all can see. It takes it. So you can control like your music, you can control your apps. They have different things, and if you want to change it, you can go into settings. My favorite thing about this and why I like the Note 10s is that I can make myself notes. I like that because I'm very forgetful, and so I can just write a note like get eggs. Don't judge my writing, y'all. So you know, you can write that like get eggs, just so that you can remember, you know, when you go what to get while you're out. So that's what I like about these. Oh, you guys, I bought a case. Let me show you my case. So I ordered this case off of Amazon. It was $8.99, and this is how it looks. So it's like just really glittery rose gold. I'm gonna also go on Amazon and order me some screen protectors. Okay, so it's a little dirty. I gotta get my thing. So that's how the phone looks. Like that's the color of it. Oh, isn't that just pretty? Like I saw this online and I was like, ooh, that is pretty, and it's reflective. So you can like use it as a mirror if you need to, sis. Okay, so if you like to look at yourself, get this phone. This is how the phone looks. I hope you guys like it. If you guys have any questions about the phone, leave them below. I'll try and help if I can. I will start recording on this phone, so you guys should be seeing a different type of quality of video from me, because I'll start recording on this phone in a second. Once I just wanted to make this video and then do all of that, and then I'll start recording on this phone. So hopefully it's a different quality, and I'll be getting a camera soon, y'all, because yeah, I just need a camera. Okay, anyway, I'm rambling. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you like it. If you do, make sure that you like the video. Like if you like it, okay? You guys, I will be having a live monetization party on Saturday. I don't know what time I'm gonna do it because we're all in different time zones. I'm in Central time zone, so I will be having a live monetization party. I'm so excited, you guys. I am so grateful. I did not expect this. Like, y'all really don't understand. I did not expect this to happen. Y'all, I never really stick with anything, and yeah, I'm really proud of myself. Shout out to my team who have been pushing me, who have been on me, staying on top of me, who have been helping me through this entire process. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. You guys know who you are. I am so grateful for you. So yeah, you guys, I am monetized finally, officially. So I gotta get on the ball. So I need y'all help. I need ideas for videos. I need what y'all want to see. I need y'all to help. And once I figure out when I'm gonna do it and what time, I will post it on my community tab. So make sure that you have your post notifications on. Make sure that you're checking back to see if I've posted on the community tab. I will more than likely post it the time on Thursday. Either Thursday or Friday, I'll post the time because it'll be in the evening. So I'm in Central Standard Time, remember that. So yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you like the video and leave a comment down below. If you have this phone, let me know how you like it. Let me know some tips and some tricks, what I can do, how I can improve the camera, like all that good stuff. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for unboxing my new phone with me. I'm about to do nothing. So that's it, y'all. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video.